Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to unhide the postings in your Craigslist account. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. It's quite easy. In case you don't know how to log in, we've created a video regarding that as well. Initially, what I'd like to do is simply go to event calendar right here. Just click on it, and then you'll be redirected to a page like this. Well, all we want to do is simply unhide the postings that we had previously hidden. On the nav bar, on the rightmost section, you'll see the favorites, post, and account. What we have to focus on is the star-like icon. Simply click on it. Then this will open up. Initially, it's gonna show you all the favorite postings that you have made favorite. But right now, all we want to do is unhide the hidden postings. To do that, what you need to do is click on this button that says Show Hidden. Once you've clicked on it, well, you can see all the postings that you have hidden. Well, denote that you can simply unhide these postings individually by clicking on this red trash can icon right here. I'm gonna click on it right now, and as you can see, the posting has been unhidden. In case you want to unhide all of them at once, at the top right, you'll see a button like this that says Unhide All. Click on this button right here and all the postings that you have hidden will be unhidden. I'm gonna click on it right now. And guys, as you can see, all the postings that I had previously hidden are now unhidden. That's it for the video guys, that's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Until next time, thank you.